Namaskar, good morning, Ram Ram. Welcome to your own channel, Orchestra English. So many comments, so many mails, so many messages. People said, "Don't you talk about the 12th house?" Because most of the people fear from this house. So I say this is 12, 6 and 12 are the beautiful houses. The only thing is how to use this house is very important. And house is a house which can transform your life, because don't forget this is a house of liberation, moksha. So the 12th house tell us where to do let go and how this will change things for you. Where is your 12th house? Look out for that. But before, let's go step by step. In Vedic astrology, 12th house is called Vyaya Bhava, the house of expenses, losses, house of dissolution. But this is only the surface meaning. In reality, it is one of the most spiritual and mysterious house also. And what the classical says, I always talk about the classicals here. So the Prashri astrology says the Vyayasthanam Dwadasham Proktam Vyayam Shaya Videshiram. That means 12th house is expenses, bet players, sleep and intimacy of husband and wife, foreign lands, isolation. बृहत प्राशर होरा शास्त्र से व्यय पाप फल प्रद, it gives results related to the loss, expenditure and detachment, especially when afflicted. Now I am telling you very plain manner, but when I will go house by house, I will tell you how you can make your 12th house and his lord usage very good in your chart. And the Fal Deepika say planets in the 12th house cause expenditure and loss according to their nature. Wherever this lord will go to, do bring loss always, change always, that we will see. So the core meaning of the 12th house is expenses and loss, money going out, investment, charity, wasteful spending. Or important in this is loss here is not always bad, because it can also mean the charity and the spiritual giving, that is also money going out of my pocket. So that doesn't mean that is a loss only. And the foreign land is 12th house, isolation, living abroad, long distance travel, staying away from homeland, that means ashrams, hospital, jails, or are 12th house. And the sleep and the bed comfort. So the sleep quality is very important whenever your 12th house is afflicted, 12th house lord is afflicted. Yes, the sleep quality is not good. There is a always issue in the sleep. And the dreams also depend on your 12th house lord placement and 12th house, and the bed players definitely. So as a spirituality and moksha point of view, this is most important. Higher meaning of the 12th house is a moksha. 4, 8, 12 are the three houses for the moksha, and it represents detachment, liberation, and end of the material desire. So 12th house is endings and dissolutions, closure of the cycles, loss of the ego, and letting go. This is a very big name of 12th house, letting go. So these are all general points what I have written, but today I will going to discuss with you what your 12th house lord is saying, where the 12th house lord is placed, and how you can make a very good sense of out of this 12th house lord. So for the people whose 12th house lord is in the first house, when the first 12th house lord goes to the first house, then this is one of the position where everybody say this is very negative combination. But no, this is not a negative combination at. Now when the 12th house lord is coming to the lagna, now this is clearly saying that this is a combination of transforming yourself completely. Because when 12th house lord comes to the first house, the energy of loss, detachment, and isolation directly impacts the personality and the identity of the nature, this person. Such individuals often feel different from others and naturally inclined towards solitude, isolation, foreign lands. They enjoy being in their own world of imagination, introspection. Their subconscious mind is very active. There is a strong tendency to withdraw from the external noise and seek the inner meaning. Physical vitality may fluctuate. Yes, 12th house is hospitals, losses, and everything. So this may fluctuate definitely. But financially, they may become sometime very much the person who is spending only. Spending is a nature, and spending without structured planning. A major challenge is inconsistency, as your mind keeps shifting between ideas, make it difficult to stay committed, and this leads to the repeated disappointment. However, a higher level, the placement gives the exceptional imagination and intuitive power. If directed properly, it can lead to a creative brilliance, and a spiritual alignment enhances their gut feeling to exceptional level. Foreign lands, distant places, definitely they can do very good there. And the careers connected to the spirituality, writing, research, healing, painting, all suits to them. And life always push them towards a detachment again and again. And the key lesson is to master the art of letting go. When they stop resist and start accepting, the placement becomes a source of deep wisdom and inner peace. Now this is where you need to work. Now the let go comes in the lagna. So this should be the person who should be always in the mood of let go. Anybody said wrong to me? Let go. Anybody done cheating with me? Let go. Anybody hurt me? Anybody tell me some abusive words? Let go. Because now let go is the only power which can make you here the strongest person, the person who is working towards moksha, liberation. The art of expenditure you need to learn. The yoga meditation, if you will be regularly doing in your life, then there will be the no health issues as such, because 12th house is a yoga meditation also, and now you included this in your life. That is very good. 12th house is expenditure, so this they sometimes spend more on themselves, more they want to show off, so they can spend more, definitely. But I'm telling you, this video is all about to tell you where you need to let go. There will be the let go for the different people in different houses, but this first house say you have to be a person of let go, who want to know how to leave the things. This is your lesson of the life. Because now, yes, this person can be a very charitable person also, because now the charities, the 12th house is coming to the lagna. But I am again telling you, the day you will learn how to live, the day you will learn how to let go in your life, how to forgive the people, you will become the real saint person. And that will be the day for rise of you. Because 12th house Lord, I've seen so many charts. They are the people who are already feeling very much isolated in their life. They want to sit alone, even they are sitting in the 20 people. No matters. They are in their own world, the world of imagination. And the inclination towards them to going a foreign land is from very childbirth. They have only one thing in the mind, going abroad. But yes, they are the people who can work very good in hospitals, jails, ashrams, spiritual organizations. And I'm telling you the solution here. If somebody has a 12th house Lord here and he's thinking, I have to spend so much on my health and medicine and this and that. So my dear family member, don't spend on yourself, spend on some another person. That means do charity for the people who are diseased, who are patient, who wants the money for the medicine and they don't have. So then you have not to spend money on yourself, because now you are giving money for removing somebody's pain, somebody's health issues. So this is what you can do here. So let go means you have to be a personality of let go, and this is very difficult work. Whatever you do, changing yourself in this manner, that okay, if somebody is saying something to me, I don't care, I will do the let go. I am a person, doesn't matter for me. But this is very, very, very difficult, because this is a 12th house Lord. And in some cases, I seen 12th house Lord is, all the expenditures and everything. Sometime you get a person in your life as a spouse, same nature, who is spendthrift, who is spending so much, or person with health issues and diseases. This is possible because aspect of the 12th house Lord is in the 7th house. So if you have this combination, now from today onwards, Try to change yourself. Be a person with let go. Don't be a short tempered person. Try to increase your patience as much as you can. Okay. Thank you, my dear family member. Now, the people who have a 12th house Lord in the second house. Now, this is such a combination. When 12th house Lord is placed in the second house, it directly influences the wealth, family, and the speech. Now, the 12th house is coming there. This placement is often misunderstood as a financial loss. Oh, house of losses comes to the finances. Is this a financial loss? But is this the complete reality? Yes, in some cases we can say, because this person will generally say, I earn so much money, but where is that money? I'm not able to save. There is not a single rupee in my bank account. First salary I get, and 30th, before 30th, on 20th, I lost all my salary and money. Yes, this can happen because now 12th house Lord is there. But in reality, it represents the transformation of wealth. So there is a very great remedy for this. What? Whenever you get salary, same evening, convert this salary into your FD. Like if you got 1 lakh rupees, then my house expenses, everything including is 40,000. Then do the FD for the 60,000. You see, slowly the money will be in your account in the form of FD, because 12th house is not only the losses, 12th house is investments also. So this is one of the greatest remedy which successfully I have done in my life, and in number of clients are doing this thing. So the transformation of wealth, not only the expenditure of wealth. And this person may face fluctuations in the income and the saving. Yes, 12th house Lord is there, but money may come and go frequently. However, this placement teaches that the wealth grow when it, mind my words, when it circulated wisely. So this is one of the greatest remedy for you. The more you give, the more you get. The more you give, the more you get. 12th house is a charity. So the more, this doesn't mean that we are getting 1 lakh rupees salary, 90,000 you are going and donating. I'm not saying this. Make your budget. That okay, I have 10,000, 5,000 I have to spend anyhow on the charities for the wellness of people. The more you will spend on charity, the more will come to you. And one of the most positive combination is when 12th house Lord, when foreign country is sitting in your second house, then this is a time when you can have income from foreign lands, income from import and export, income from MNCs. Maybe you're a person who's working in MNC. Spending on the right things definitely will show a path to the success, and the foreign sources are always here for you. And the family life may involve sometime separation, because 12th house is known for the changes, and the sudden changes, definitely there will be the separation from family. You are going somewhere abroad, or maybe your whole family is in abroad. This is also possible. Or you may go abroad, marry there, and you make your family there. This is also possible. So 12th house is not always negative thing. Your speech may be secretive speech. Your speech may be introverted, and this person must learn the financial discipline, as careless expenditure can definitely lead to the instability. Because I seen this combination with some people. They say, sir, I spend my all the income on my family. This is also not good thing. And maybe person is spending income on the gems and jewelry also, because this is gems and jewelry. This is little bit good that you are saving something. At the same time, the fear of spending can also block the growth. So the balance is the key. This placement supports the gain through the global exposure or unconventional income sources, and charity always will play the important role for you. The more consciously this native gives, the more they receive. Over the time, they realize that wealth is energy, not the possession. And the key lesson is to use the money as a tool, not an attachment. And when they will do like this, you will see the results in their life. I have seen sometimes they spend very much on the food also. You see, they will go to the groceries, the Big Bazaar or Reliance or any places for groceries. You see their trolleys, 2 trolleys full of groceries. They spend more on the food. They want, this thing is new, this thing is new. Let me take this. Let me take this. Dinners, family dinners. They're spending on money on that. But they need to do let go. Where? They need to do let go in form of money. Yes, charities. They need to do let go in form of food. Yes, they need to distribute food. They need to do let go in form of speech. If anything, any person is saying wrong things to them, they need to be in the let go situation. Okay, I will not speak anything wrong to this person who is saying abusive to me. And they need to do let go in form of wealth, means they need to make them a detached person. They need to make apart from the wealth. Okay, wealth all day, money. No, 12th house is saying you need to earn money, you need to manage money, but don't dips yourself in the wealth. The more you will be the detached person, the more will be the way for you to find a way for a liberation and a moksha. And now this is a 12th house is also a moksha. Now the moksha is where in the second house. So what it shows, that the source of moksha for you will be the second house. That means the family, if you will serve the family well in the controlled manner, not in the more of expenditure on family. If you serve the family well, if you distribute the food, if you're not a person who is attached very much to the wealth, then this all thing. And if you're a person who always take a sattvic food, transformation, 12th house wants transformation, and the 12th house say, I will give you moksha through this second house things. So this is what you need to do. And my dear family member, the people who have a 12th house lord in the third house, this is again one of very tricky condition, because when 12th house lord goes to the third house, this person's effort, courage and communication take a subtle and an inward direction, and there is a strong inclination toward the foreign travel, because always remember, third house is attraction. Now foreign travel is coming to the house of attraction. So the foreign travel, distant movement, working in isolated places, behind the scenes environment, they are very happy to live there. And communications, their communication style become imaginative. Now the subconscious mind is coming here. This person may prefer expressing through the writing or digital forms rather than the direct interaction. There can be fluctuations in efforts, sometimes working intensely and sometimes withdrawing, completely withdrawing. Financial behavior may also swing between the overspending and extreme saving. Now the expenditure come to the house of attraction. Whenever they see anything in the life, online, offline, in somebody's hand, mobile, laptop, if they can see somebody's car, they immediately want to buy. I need this any cost. I will take loan, no problem. I will break my all FDs, no problem. But I need this thing. Why? Now the expenditure has came to the attractions house. This is attraction. And sometimes they are the people who can invest everything. What they will do? If they get 1 lakh salary, 90,000 they can invest. Every single money in 10,000 they will run the family. Then somebody will family member, no, I have no money. No. Because now the investment has come to the attraction. So all attraction is towards investment. So this person can be the either richest person by doing this investment, or the poorest person by spending all the money in the attractions. So the success comes through the strategic communication, strategic income planning, and marketing especially is the good source of income for them, especially connected with the foreign lands. And this placement is powerful for the creative writing. Now subconscious mind has come to the house of creative writing, so they can do very good creative writing, content creation, foreign based communication, they can do very good. Inconsistency in the efforts, sometimes inconsistency in the efforts can become major obstacle, because now the change, house of change has come to the efforts house. Now they are not consistent in their efforts, and this person have to follow the discipline. Sometimes overthinking in delay can produce problems for them. So whenever third house lord, 12th house lord is in the third house, for you the biggest thing is to let go. What? Let go your bahubal, let go your bravery act, that I can do this thing, I can do this thing. You should be the person of the surrendered mode, those who know how to surrender. If anybody has done a wrong communication with you, your neighbors had something said wrong to you, your younger siblings had something said wrong to you. Now you are the person who should use the let go thing here for them. You must know how to abolish your attraction, because now attraction is the baddest part of the third house. So what you need to do, you need to a person who is no more a attracted person, who has let go everything. The day you will learn this, okay, I have seen this, oh, I need this mobile, oh, beautiful laptop, oh, what car. The day you will leave all these things, definitely third house and 12th house both work better for you, both work better for you. Because when you have a no attraction, then you will not overspend. You have no attraction, you will not overinvest. You have no attraction, you have to leave the attraction here. Number one. And number two, serve your neighbors and serve your younger siblings. And one thing more, whatever they say to you, whatever mistake they do, just do the let go thing. Whatever the people doing bad communications with you, you have to let go all the things. But yes, this combination I also seen in the chart of people where they got visa very early, because the 12th house is foreign and this is a house of visa. So this is what you can do. There can be internal courage, but that courage should not be to harm someone. Now the courage is to forgive someone. Yes, this courage you need to learn here, because 12th house is house of living. So they are not saying leave your courage and become coward. They say don't leave your courage, have courage in yourself, but this courage should be to forgive to someone. Let go the bad communications of other people. You should be strong enough. And I'm telling you, this person can do wonders. Now see, the person is not very courageous and willpower person who can punch someone. The person who know that this person has done wrong to me, but is still controlled, and he say, I can punch you, definitely nobody can stop me, but I am forgiving you because this is my karma. Let go, I am forgiving you. This is what you need to do, my dear family member. If you are already doing this, very good. If no, kindly write below in the comments, so I must know where you are lacking somewhere. Now, my dear family members, if you have a 12th house lord in 4th house, this is clear-cut combination for the foreign settlement. This is very true, because foreign house lord is coming to your 12th house or your 4th house. So when 12th house lord is placed in the 4th house, generally it affects the emotional peace and inner stability. But this person may feel disconnected from the birthplace, maybe after some 19 years, 20 years, you go to the foreign and settle there. Now the emotional peace often found a way for the family surroundings, and this is a strong inclination toward the isolation, meditation, spiritual practices. Home environment may feel detached or unconventional, and your mother can be a spiritual person. The house of spirituality has came. You can be a non-materialistic person, or there can be emotional distance from mother. This placement supports living abroad, no problem. Acquiring property abroad, no problem. However, inner peace cannot be achieved through the external comfort. This person must learn to detach from the material definitions of happiness. Education may take place sometime in the distance, because this is a primary education house. So emotional fluctuations can occur, but letting go of expectations become essential, and over this time the placement gives a deep inner peace and the self-understanding, and the person learns to create home within themselves. Now this person is happy with himself. So much sunlight is coming, I need to cover. Now what is 4th house? 4th house is living thing. 4th house is living, letting things. Now what you can let go here? This is a house of peace of mind. Now what you have to do? When you give peace of mind to the other people, then you will able to get the peace of mind in return. There is no other way, otherwise you will feel always disturbed and maybe you can shout some person, you can say hurt some person, then again you are creating a karma. The best thing, the charity house is coming here, the house of living is come here. So what you need to, you need to leave what, you need to leave the comfort, you need to leave the luxuries. Don't put yourself into the comfort zone, but the more and more peace of mind you will distribute. Sit with the people, listen what they want, give them solutions, give them peace of mind. Meet the people, meet them in very warmer way, in good way. You can talk so they can have some peace of mind. The only solution here is to give them peace of mind. That's what, how you can get the peace of mind. Only thing is give comfort and luxuries to the people. By becoming detached yourself from the luxury and comfort, then only you can get the peace of mind. You must do seva, service to your mother. You must know how to give peace of mind to mother. Then you get peace of mind. Help the people to buy the property if you are very rich enough. Help the people to buy the vehicles you are very rich enough. Because here you need to leave the things, then you will get all the things. And now the moksha, the liberation house lord is in the 4th house, which it tells that you will get liberation and moksha by the seva and service of your mother and motherland. Maybe you are living abroad, still you can do seva to your motherland. That is not a problem. Now the liberation is where? Liberation is here in the 4th house. You have to serve your mother wholeheartedly. And you need to bring peace of mind for the people. Help them to achieve the peace of mind. Sit in meditation, or if you are you know how to do meditation and yoga and everything, organize free meditation classes, yoga classes to help the people to achieve that peace of mind. So this is your duty. So you need to do let go where? You need to do let go where somebody is hurting you and he's disturbing or she's disturbing your peace of mind. Still you say, no problem, I forgive you. No problem, I'm not angry on you. Now this let go when you do, this will open a peace of mind doors for you and open the doors of liberation for you, because now you are a detached fellow. You are not attached to the comforts, luxuries, my peace of mind, my home, my this. You have to leave this. If you're already doing all these things, then very good. Otherwise, start practicing. Now when the 12th house lord goes to the 5th house, what is this combination? When 12th house lord to the 5th house, it brings deep connection. Now the subconscious mind is in the house of conscious mind. Deep connection between the imagination and creativity and detachment, because it will bring detachment to your mind. This is true. But the subconscious mind is coming here in the 5th house. That means conscious mind, when connects with the creativity house, can create something very good out of your powerful imagination and powerful mind. This person has a powerful imagination mind and often prefers to solitude to explore ideas, happiness, and that comes through maybe spending, investing, creativity. There may be hidden talents that are not immediately visible to others, because 5th house is talent, 8 places of the 5th house, 8th house is invisible house, secret house. So your invisible talents are there in the 12th house. Now that hidden talents came to the house of talent. And the romantic life here can be a secretive, can be a distance romance, and definitely is not very good combination from kids' point of view, because 12th house lord is here. Sometime it can be possible, your kids are going abroad for the higher education, you are going abroad for the higher education, or maybe your kids are living separate from you, and this placement is highly favorable for the investment based field, because now the 12th house is investment. It comes to the 5th house. 5th house is my mind and intellect. Now my mind and intellect will make possible the best investments. However, this need to be taken care. That impulsive or emotional decision in investment can make losses sometimes. This person must balance the imagination with practicality. Spiritual growth will come when he will do the creative surrender. Over the time, they realize that the true joy comes from the inner creativity rather from the external validation, and this placement enhances intuitive intelligence. And the key lesson is to channel the imagination of your mind productively, and then you will be able to find the result. But what is the lesson for you? The lesson for you is the house of charity is here, fifth house. What you need to do? You need to give your knowledge to the people without any cost. You have to transfer this knowledge to the needy people without thinking what I will get. You have to be a very let go person in your love life. Whatever your love relation person is doing with you doesn't matter to you. You should, even if you find some fault in that person, even if that person is doing something wrong, you should be in the let go mode. Even if your kids are not good with you or creating some problem to you, you should be in the let go situation with your kids. You have let go in your mind about them. And the more you will teach the underprivileged kids, the more you will provide the underprivileged kids, the more you will do charity for the underprivileged kids. This will bring not only the strength here in your mind, peace here in your mind, in your brain, but yes, it will also give you an opportunity to earn immense through the fifth house activities. But this is also true. Now the source of liberation, the moksha, the 12th house is coming to the fifth house. Now your seva towards knowledge, your distributing of knowledge free to all, your let go situation with your kids and your love life will open a door of moksha for you. Medically, sometimes we can say that it can create gut health issues and this and that. Yes, this is very normal thing. But today our topic is how you can or where you can do the let go to get the good results. So here you can do the let go with kids and the love life, and you have to impart a knowledge, you have to distribute a knowledge, you have to make underprivileged kids, you have to provide your knowledge in a free to them. Then you see your life will change, because now charities have come here. So this is what you need to do. So my dear friends, if you have this combination, and if you're already doing this thing, then more than best. If you are not, then kindly practice this thing. And now when the 12th house lord, this is little bit challenging as I see this combination. The 12th house is the hospitals and expenses, now coming to the diseases. So when 12th house lord is placed in the 6th house, it is little bit problem, but it creates a powerful challenging dynamic between the loss and the struggle. This person may face issue related to health, debts and conflicts. There can be instability in the job, or maybe I can say why the 12th house lord is coming here. Maybe you are working abroad, maybe you are working in hospital, jail or ashram or asylum. This is also possible. Here the financial matters may involve loans or the legal complications, and health issues, especially the chronic or the hidden, may arise sometime. However, this placement also gives the ability to overcome enemies and the challenges. Now losses have came here. Now sometimes you can say, is this the losses because of enemies and challenge, or this is the loss of enemies? This depends on you. This person can defeat the problems through the patience and strategy. If in anger or jealousy or revenge, you keep all these things in your mind, then nothing can happen. It's your mindset which can make you winner here. The key lesson is to release the conflict. If the 12th house lord in the 6th house, person is in let go situation, he know how to forgive the enemy. He know how to, keep this revenge thing out of your mind. Keep the greed out of your mind. If you think positively, I always think like this, and thank to the gurus from whom I learned this thing, that 12th house is a loss of everything. So when loss house is coming to the house of enemies, ego, greed, loans, so this means now this is loss of everything. Everything will finish for you. Yes, finish for you when you will think positive, when you have no enmity, when you have no desires, no greed, then this 12th house Lord will work for you. Either go foreign country, you can work in hospitals, you can work, and the let go, immediately forgive your enemies, immediately, without have a second thought. And here you need to work very carefully while you take loans and everything. Here you need to spend on the diseases of the people who are from the lower income group. People spend money on them, on their diseases, on their health issues, help them. Here you can do seva. Now this is seva. Now the seva, the charity, the service is coming to the 6th house. So go to the temple and do service there. Go to the 6th house and do service. Service to the people, service in the religious places, service to the needy people. This is how you can be a winner person here, victory here. You can achieve in your life. So this is one of the tricky condition, as I see this combination in my transit period of Jupiter. But in the natal chart, if you have this combination, then you need to do these things in lifetime. What I am telling you, you need to let go the people. If on the workplace even some people are trying to create problems for you, trying to do politics for you, you have to be in let go position. Even you know that this person is not doing right to me, you just remain, stay calm, and in let go. Don't try to do anything bad to them. Don't have them, this revenge thing here. If you keep revenge, now 12th house is here, expenses. If you keep revenge, then the diseases, loans, enemies, that will increase. If you do the let go, if you forgive the people, the enemies who are creating problems for you, there will not be any, this diseases, loans, and enemies. Now the way of the doors of moksha, the doors of liberation will open for you, because now you are very detached person. You have nothing to do with enemies and anything, whatever going on, I will do my own karma. And you are a person of a service minded nature. You are doing service to the people, to the humanity at religious places. Now you have not to worry. Now, my dear family members, if you have the 12th house Lord here in the 7th house, this is again the position where, if you see, lots of astrologers will say the 12th house Lord in the 7th house, the energy of the detachment comes here, the loss comes here, the foreign connection directly comes. Now, in the positive sense, I can say I can get the partnerships from foreign country, business in foreign country, married, my life partner can be from foreign country. Your spouse can be from different distant places, foreign lands, completely from different cultural background. But yes, there is often a sense of emotional distance or lack of fulfillment in the relationship. Sometimes you are married and you are, emotionally distant from your life partner. Together you live, but maybe you not talk to each other, not in good terms. Or maybe you are married, but you are living in some state, she is in some another state, due to job or business or profession. Most of the time, this person is being misunderstood in the partnership, or there are the difference of opinion. So the relationship here require a conscious effort. That this placement can create a disappointment if not handled maturity, and the native may also attract the partners, maybe partner not from foreign land, but you attracted a partner who is an introvert, who is a spiritual in nature, who is detached in nature. Very good for you, no problem. There can be secret relationships or a hidden dynamic in the marriage. You are married, but still you are connected with some person in the foreign land. And financial gains here come through the partnership as possible. That partnership should be in the foreign trade, foreign land, import and export, global business. Then it is okay. Otherwise, the loss is here. So partnerships will be the loss project for you if the partners are not connected with the foreign land, or the business is not connected with the foreign land. Here the expectation must be reduced and emotionally dependency should be avoided on the partner, and the placement teaches that the relationships are not for control or for growth, and the native learns to give space and the respect to the partner as an individually, then then no problem. So the main thing is, yes, you can make your chart balance with the way that, okay, I am giving you all freedom, whatever you want to do in your boundaries you can do, there is no problem. And now the forgive, the let go. You have to let go your life partner, your business partner. Even if they are doing something wrong, you should be let go. Because if you will be attached with their mistakes, then this is again problem. Because detachment with someone is also attachment with his mistakes, because I am detached from some person because he is or she is doing continuously mistake, so this is also attachment with their mistakes. So what I have to forgive their, I have to forgive all their mistakes. I have to be in the let go situation with my business partner or life partner. I need to do my business as a spiritual person. There should not be the attachment with business. There should be I am doing a business like a Karam Yogi. Now, serving your life partner, serving your business partner, and serving your customer. And with your business, if you are serving a world in a better way, then this will open a doors of a moksha for you. Now, 12th house Lord is here. So maybe you with your life partner together can do the charities. This is possible. So many combinations. But today's topic is where you need to be let go. You have to do let go here in the 7th. And the ones you will practice this, there will be no issues in business, no issues with life partner, no issues with business partner, because now you are such a detached person who doesn't care what is happening, who is always on the positive part of thinking, if she is or he is doing this, something can be better, but I am not angry with you. I let go all your problems, all your mistakes. Slowly, slowly, that person will also convert. He will also, when he will see your softness and all things, what you are doing, when he will see or she will see your transformation, then that person surely will transform in the longer run. But for the technical sense, if you have this combination, then kindly marry to a person in the foreign land or different culture or distance land, or you can marry someone who is working in a hospital or a jail or an asylum. This can also a good combination. To otherwise, people say, "Oh, 12th house Lord is here. Your marriage is not good. You have two marriages. You have this, that." Nothing. We have just to use the combination of the planets. And the 12th house Lord when the 8th house. Now this is one of the situation where we say this is a Viparit Rajyog, because the 12th house Lord plays in the 8th house. It creates a deep and an intense connection now with the transformation, hidden matters and the karmic. This placement can bring a sudden losses, yes. Sudden transformation, yes. Unexpected expenses, yes. Because now the unexpected house where the 12th house Lord is sitting. So if not financial things properly handled, if you are doing investment without thinking, without verifying the things, all investments will be in the loss, because now investment has come to the house of pain, sudden losses. So this person can to be extremely cautious in a financial decisions and avoid impulsive investments. Proper research and planning are the essential part of their daily routine. This placement creates a deep psychological patterns and a hidden fears that need to be released from time to time. And this placement also indicates that you need to not need to hold grudges for someone. Whenever you will say, yes, I have enmity for that person, I will not leave him when I will get my time to take revenge from him or her. 12th house Lord in the house of pain. If you will keep grudges, if you will keep enmity, then you can be a person who can enter into a chronic disease. A disease which goes for long, a chronic pain, a chronic series of losses. Because now the 12th house Lord is here. So this is must for these type of people to always be in the let go mode in your life. This will this will burn your pain, because this is house of pain. And if you have this combination, do this for 1 month. The people who are creating pain for you, maybe your in-laws, just stay in the let go situation, let go mindset. You see, slowly your pain will burn now, and you will be the more transformed person, and there is no more pain in your life. This is one of the good combination where you can study yoga, meditation, you can enter into this zone also. So this is one of the tough combinations, but I think you can make a very good use of this combination to be in a let go situation. And now the charities where you can do, the people who are in pain, you can help your in-laws, you can help the people with yoga meditation things. And when you will be able to release the pain of other people, the doors of moksha will open for you, because you are now releasing the pain of other. Now your pain will definitely will go. What you give, you will get back. If you will give pain, this is a deep pain, you will definitely get the more pain. If you release the pain of other people and help them releasing the pain, definitely your pain will automatically will be released, and you don't even know that why, where my pain is. So you have to do this thing. Otherwise, this is very tough combination. It can give a chronic diseases, pains, and a series of problems in your life if you will not do the let go and keep revenge in your mind. So thank you, my dear family members. I am doing a little bit fast because this is Sunday and my group class is there. So I'm completing things because before this I have one consultation. So my Sunday and Saturday are like mess up things. People are enjoying and I just here. So okay, this is my karma. Now, ninth house, I have this combination, 12th house Lord in ninth house. What it says, whenever the 12th house Lord is in the ninth house, it creates a powerful connection between the fortune and the spirituality. The more you spiritual, the more will be your fortune will rise. Now, the foreign land planet has come here, so your rise in, your fortune is in foreign land. This placement is highly auspicious for the growth through the distance places and global exposure. Luck often activate away from the birthplace, and this person will get achieve success in foreign countries. I'm thinking from so many years how I can go to some foreign country and make my fortune rise, but I'm not getting this opportunity. I already told, if some person has a good piece of land somewhere in the foreign country, we can open there a Navgrah mandir, the Yagyashala, the all things we can make there, and let the uh, let correct the pain of the people. Maybe someday it can happen. You never know. There are so many people in the world. Okay, so this person may receive a guidance from the guru or mentors or teacher, and the life will change. And this placement strongly supports the higher knowledge philosophy, special in the foreign land. You can take all this, and financial growth can come to you without any doubt, but through investment, especially when investment is guided by your intuition. And this person is has a potential to be very wealthy if they understand the art of investment. Charities may play major role. More they do the charities, more their fortune will rise. Now the charities house Lord is here. The more this native gives selflessly, the more the luck will expand, and this is a natural inclination towards dharma and higher purpose also. However, you need to avoid the blind faith, but the balance between the belief and the logic is what you need. And over the time, this person realizes the true fortune comes from the giving, the art of giving. I'm telling you, because I have this combination, I can be the best person to tell in my lifetime, in last 10, 11 years, 12 years. No. Why 12 years? The day I have my senses, I seen so many cheatings, so many frauds. Okay, let me not discuss this thing. I'm telling about you. If any person in your life cheated you, what you need to do? Let go. Okay, God bless you. Thank you. No problem. Now this let go will make your fortune rise, and that person who has done cheating with you, he is stuck now. Now he cannot escape. But if you keep the revenge, yes, I will take the revenge. Now your fortunes will be destroyed. The day you will be in the let go situation, whatever any person has done cheating to me, God bless him. No problems. I have no hard feelings. Even if I am saying this on air, live, the people who have done wrong things, even in my life with me, I open heartedly invited them. Please come to my house, meet me. If you need anything, I am again ready to help you, because I want to correct my karma. I have no grudges for anyone, because any person who has done cheating to me, he He has come to my life to give me a lesson. This is my karma. Now the reaction to this karma is my option, what reaction I want to give. That cheating was pre-planned, that was written. I am not angry with that. I am very happy that you come and give lesson to me, and anyhow you balanced my karma. Otherwise, how I need to pay this thing which you have done fraud with me, this is only God knows. But you have done so easy thing for me. So this is what you need to do. Charities you need to do. Service toward the guru, ancestors, father, mentors. This is what you need to do. The more you spend on your father, the more the things will come to you. The more you spend in the ashram of your guru, the more you will give your gift to the mentors, the more you will do for your ancestors, the more you will achieve in your life. If still you are not doing this thing, and still you are thinking like me, oh, when I will go to the foreign land, forget this. Foreign land will come when it will come. But if you can go, no problem. But these things you can. People will do cheating with you, and you say, no problem. Let go. I am forgiving you. No problem. Start this from today. I wish you a great luck ahead. Now, this is one of the toughest combination where we people generally say, oh my God, 12th house Lord is here. He will keep changing jobs. He will instable in his job. But the 12th house Lord in 10th house directly, yes, impacts the career, profession and public image. This person may experience frequent changes in the career and direction, maybe, somewhere struggleful direction in the life. But there can be a confusion regarding career path also. But the positive thing is, if this person is working in the foreign land, no problem. If this person is working in an MNC, no problem. If this person is working somewhere in the hospital, spiritual institutions, jails, religious or research-based work, no problem. This person may work the behind the scenes. This is no problem. So this is all what we can do when I do chart reading. More than giving them remedies, I tell them how to balance your chart rather than to take these temporary remedies. You need to correct your life by aligning with the chart. And the way this person handles the money directly affects their professional success. It focuses on the opportunities you lost. You need to focus on that. The biggest challenge here is the distraction and the lack of commitment on the one path. You may keep changing departments, keep changing jobs, keep changing your domain, your profession. I have seen the people of the 12th house Lord in 10th house. Few years they are working as a teacher. The next few years they are working as a shopkeeper. The next few years they are again doing a job. Keep changing because they are not using this house well. And the more you will run after the name, fame and recognition, the more this recognition and name, fame will go away from you. Very simple thing. The day you will say, I will work as a Karam Yogi, I need no name, fame. As you say, I will leave name, fame, the name, fame will come to you. On the second hand, we can say that the name, fame will come to you in the spiritual things or in foreign lands or something like this. So career link to foreign land is good, that's not a problem. But you need to learn here that you need to be in the let go situation with your bosses, with your authorities, what they are saying. You need to be in the position that, okay, no problem. You do your work as a yogi, as a Karam yogi. The person say, I will get increased salary or not, I don't know. I will do my best. I will get perks and all this. I will get promotions or not, I don't know. I will do my best. When he will adapt according to the situation, this is the best thing. The more he will do the charities, the more his profession will rise. The more he will be in the let go situation at the workplace, the more his profession will rise. There will be no changes at all. So this is one of the combination with which people fear so much, but I think this time is not to fear from this combination. The time is to make your chart balanced according to this combination. Then only you will able to achieve the things. And I always say, maybe your bosses, your authorities are creating problem for you, giving pain to you. Now these bosses and authorities will become a source of transformation, source of moksha for you. Because they are creating problems for you and you are daily saying, okay, God bless my boss, no problem. I will do my best thing. Now what happened? They stuck one who are creating problems. And you get the liberation and the moksha. So here karam, this is a sthan. So your karma will be source of a moksha and liberation for your every, not this is connected to the profession only. Your every single karma in your life should be like a saint person, innocent person. And that will take you to the path of the moksha. If you have this combination, you can do. Then there will be no fluctuations in name fame because you don't need. There can be no fluctuation in job because you are not now the aggressive and the ambitious or the over ambitious person who want everything. This is here need to work as a Vairagya person, the person who is a detached fellow. If I am CEO, it's okay. If I am a simple, this is okay. Here you need to be a satisfied person in the job, then only you will rise in your life. I wish you a great luck ahead. Now the 12th house lord in the 11th house lord, when 11th house people will say you have income from foreign land, you will spend money on your friend, so many things, this, that. I will going to tell you very big remedy today. When 12th house lord is placed in the 11th house, it creates a unique connection between the gains, desire and the expenditure. But this person may earn through foreign sources, this is simple. Hidden channels, this is okay. Unconventional gains, this is also true. But there is a strong possibility of gains through investment. Charities, the more charities he will do, the more he will work for the masses, the more he will earn. The global network he can make. And the desires are fulfilled away from the birthplace or with the foreign connections. And this placement supports the income from the large organization or the international business or MNCs in which you can work, or in the digital platforms you can work. However, gains can fluctuate sometimes. Your income can fluctuate. This is a house of change. Sometimes you are earning 5 lakh per month, sometimes 2 lakh, sometimes 10 lakh. This person must learn to manage profit wisely and avoid unnecessary expenditure. And social circle may include the people from the different culture and background. But the thing is this, what kind of people you want to make your friends, this is very important. Now if you make a people, your friend who are very greedy people, who are very over ambitious people, then you will never be a satisfied person. Moksha is far away from you. Now you want to make people here a friends, because this is also friend. Those who are a contented person, those who are a very happy person, those who say, okay, whatever God is giving, very okay, no problem. Satisfaction. And when you find this type of group, your gains will increase and your path for the liberation and moksha will be open. And people will say, lost planet is coming here. So do you think my desires will not fulfill? If you will keep running after your desires, then definitely will not fulfill. But the day you will say, okay, I have no desire, or maybe I have a desire, I want to go foreign land. The day you will say, okay, I don't want to go foreign land, whatever God, if you want to send me, okay, if you will not send me, okay. Within few days you will able to achieve your wish. This is one of the example what I told you. So here, this is a house of 12th house is house of living. So here you need to live your desires. You need to work for your friends. You need to work for your elder siblings. You need to let go. If somebody in the friend circle say very bad things to you, abusing thing to you, you are very disturbed, then you need to say, no problem, my dear friend. No problem. I have no revenge for you. Okay, please come. Oh, I am not taking his calls. He said me this thing. I have blocked him. This, that. You should be in the let go. Then only you will able to achieve results. But if you are a revengeful person, then nothing can happen. If you are a very desireful person, nothing can happen. Here your desires will be fulfilled when you leave the desire. Here your income will increase when you do the charities, when you do for the masses, when you can work in NGOs and cooperative organizations, but you can also donate there. This is how you will able to achieve the success when the 12th house lord is in the 11th house. This is one of the tricky combination, but if you able to use this combination well, then you can do wonders in your life. Yes, maybe you're a person who is spending money on their friends or the elder siblings or the social gatherings or the parties or everything. Now try to spend this money for the charities, for the wellness of your friend. What is meaning of doing 10,000 rupees party and social gathering, if you give this 10,000 rupees to one of your friend who is in a much need for the medical or some other expenses, then this is a more better situation for you here, and you will able to earn more gain. Now the liberation and the moksha gates will open for you when you will leave the desires. You will, detached from the friends, or you have a friends who are very satisfied to people. When you are serving your friends or elder sibling, when you are serving masses and society, the gates of liberation and moksha will open for you. Thank you, my dear friend. I am little bit hurry, my class is there. Now next, the 12th house lord in 12th house is one of the position where 12th house becomes the super strong. It amplifies the energy of 12th house significantly, and this placement can lead to the higher expenditure. Now the expenditure house is very strong, but it also gives a strong potential for the investment also. Now the investment house also very strong. Spiritual growth, you can be a very spiritual person, and this person may experience a frequent spending, but the outcome depends on the awareness. If the spending is unconscious, it can lead to the losses. If it is directed towards the investment, charity, growth, it can be highly beneficial for you. And the placement strongly supports for the foreign travel, foreign settlement, and connection with the distant land. And the important export business you can do very good. And the native may feel naturally detached from the material life. Why? Why this native is feeling like this? Because now, whenever your 12th house lord is in the 12th house, now the house of our isolation is so strong that you are a person who is materially detached person, who want to live in isolation more. There is a strong possibility you must work in isolated environments, institutions, spiritual domains. Your sleeps and dreams are so strong that every morning you are telling some new dream. Subconscious mind is so active. And this person can be a very deeply intuitive person who have very good psychic abilities as well. And this person must learn to channel this energy constructively, and letting go becomes the central theme of the life. Over the time, this person realizes the loss is not the destruction but the transformation. When he thinks this thing, I lost this money. No one is losing, nobody is gaining. The only what you have written in your chart, you are getting this thing. The day you will realize that my loss was not my loss, that was a lesson, that was my due to karma, so I have to accept it. The day you will learn that how to do more charities, you will earn more. The day you will learn the isolation is a place where you can connect directly to him. Now your moksha doors will open. The more you do the charities, the more you are in isolation, the more you do the spiritual things, the more you help the people who are in hospitals, the more you help the people who are in the fake cases, litigations, who have no money to fight. Then that can be the time when doors of this moksha and liberations will open for you. Whenever 12th house lord is very strong, you have to make balance between your expenditure and investment related things. Foreign land is good for you, but spiritual spending rather than the emotional spending, spiritual spending rather than the show of spending is very important for you. You are not buying something because I want to show people. You have to buy something because I need this for my survival. Otherwise, I have a money. Okay, I can spend this for some other people or underprivileged people. I can do the charities. The more you will be in the spiritual form, the more you will be in the spiritual mindset, and where you need to do let go. Very important. This is the house of hidden enemies. So the day you will let go, do let go for your hidden enemies when they exposed. The more you'll be the detached person from spending. No, I don't want to spend recklessly. Why I need to spend? You are not a greedy person who always want to invest. When you make balance here, and you will devote your life to the seva of the people who in the hospitals, who are in the problem, who are in the diseases, the day you will get all the liberation and the moksha. So the let go here will bring a big change for you. Every person for whom I talk to, Thank you very much. Little bit fast because my class is there. So pardon me for this because Sunday so busy. Still I able to manage 1 hour 5 minutes and the 1 hour for my this presentation also. But thank you very much. Your love, your prayers, your blessings, your motivation, you know, help me to do something little like this. Keep blessing, keep sharing, keep subscribing. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman, Jai Mata Di, Om Namah Shivaya, Jai Ma Lakshmi, Jai Guru.